Good morning, guys. How are you? How are you? How's your day? My name is SimplyKate and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I woke up prepared to go to capital, that is our capital city, Nairobi. But Joe, my car decided otherwise. And today we'll be spending with you a day in the garage. If it gets finished on time, we will travel. If it doesn't, nobody's pushing us. The tire was flat completely and it was not showing any sign of puncture. Only for the mechanic to realize that the puncture was in the inner side that had been treated before and it didn't come out well. And so he decided to work on it. And guys, being in garage can really take time. A small thing that you might think can cost you a whole day. So keep locked in. Let's see what comes out at the end of the day. And as he was doing that, he also discovered another problem that I had now to take it to another mechanic. So keep locked in. Let's see how it goes. We plan, but things don't happen just the way we want them to be. The tire was removed now. We couldn't repair it from where it was, so it had to be removed and taken to that machine. He said he has to heat it so that the part that he has put can stick. Just let's see how it goes, what comes out at the end of the day. And that was what was happening to my tire. And after completely done, we went to another mechanic. The mechanic hiyo kitu ilikatika. Tutafanya aje? Hatuwezi funga na bolts.
Funga na vitu zinaitwa tayari.